Hey viewers, welcome back to another episode of Dad's Garage. Hey, today we are going to talk about this new grinder that I bought. I love to weld. I'm not very good at it. My welds will hold, they don't break, but they're not fancy, they don't look pretty. They're functional, and I did it myself. But I do go through some grinders. So in the past, I've always bought the Harbor Freight's really cheap 4-amp grinder. I'll show it to you. This is the Drill Master. You get these on sale every now and then for like, I don't know, 15 bucks. I usually buy 5 or 6 at a time. And man, I just, this one is so bad, it is actually blowing stuff out of the vent tubes. Probably the porcelain off the commutator or the brush holders or something. And it rattles, it makes a heck of a mess. So we're gonna retire this. And I know, I upgraded. I thought I would spend some money. Nope, I had a coupon and it was on sale. I bought the Brawler All Metal Gear Construction. This thing goes 11,000 RPMs. It's an 8 amp. I'm hoping we get a little bit more longevity out of this. It's got a little different style. My old ones have this lever that comes up and down, which is fine, but every now and then when you're going at it and it's vibrating, it pops it off. And that's always, man, this thing is, I don't know if you can see that, but that whole thing is just whooped. So we bought this. I'm gonna unbox it and just take a peek and show you what it looks like. So let's get you down here. This is a corded tool. I picked this up during the 4th of July Day sale. They had a sale on it, so I got it. I think I spent 34 bucks for it out the door here in my market. I did have to go to 2 different stores to get it. My local store that's just really conveniently located down the street from me didn't have anything. And it's, well, how do you get, there you go. There you go. It's got a lot of parts. Let's just get rid of that. Instructions. What are those? I thought I liked this because I saw the floor model or the display model. It had a different grip. So I don't know if I'm gonna like that more, but it seems a lot better than always having to go up and flip the side button. Plus 2, it's a little bit longer. Hopefully it'll be a little bit more comfortable on it. And we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna put the guard on it. Some people, some people don't use the guard, but I'll tell you what, I have seen too many and heard too many stories about people getting their faces ripped off or damaged because something's come back up and hit them. And you always want to use, protection when you're doing these grinding wheels, because the materials these days just, I don't think they're as good as they used to be. They seem to break a lot. Just trying to find a wrench so I can take this little nut off. Oh, well, I don't need a nut, Jim. If you look, there's a lever right here. Boom! Yeah, look at that, huh? So we're gonna put this on there. I like that a lot better than the other one. The other one you had to always kind of move around and stuff. It seems like it needs to go right here. There we go. So then you can move it around as needed as you're grinding. So that's pretty fancy. Let's get a blade. I'm just gonna put this paint remover wheel on it because it's, it's right here. It's handy. Sometimes you have to put these on a different direction with this wheel. Yep. Looks like this little guard maybe got a little bent in shipping. I'll fix that on a later time. Well, let's plug this thing in and hear what it sounds like. Screw this little guard in. Let's see. That works. That works pretty good. A lot quieter than my other one. I kind of wish it was adjustable a little bit, but it doesn't seem to be adjustable. So, let's see. It's like well, again, this is the Brawler 8 amp from Harbor Freight. Not a sponsor, bought it myself. Again, you know, what kind of tools can we use that won't break the bank, but yet we can have them and be able to use them in our projects. And just thank you for coming along with me as we open up this tool and we take a peek at it. I'm going to look forward to using this. You'll see this a lot on the channel until it dies. I did not buy the extended warranty. The warranty was like 29 bucks for it. Well, I only paid 34 bucks for the whole piece, so I'm not going to do that. When it burns up and dies, you know, I get 90 days on it. So if I don't destroy it within 90 days, it's a keeper and it's a runner. This one here is about 6 months old, and I've already destroyed it. So hopefully we go to a little bigger amp motor. It'll last for us. So hey viewers, I just want to say thanks for watching and like and subscribe for me. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers here in the next few months. I'd really love to do that. We're running around 60 right now. Picked up 10 last week, so pretty happy about that. And as always, you know, get out and work on something. You know, get your hands dirty, figure things out. And if you have a question, you know, my email's listed on the page. You can send me an email on that, info@dadsgarageproductions.com, or put it in a comment. I like to read the comments. I like to interact with my viewers. You know, this is just something I do on the side for fun. I make zero money out of it other than the jobs that come into the shop that I work on. I do get some compensation for those. So, hey everyone, have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.